I meet some new people over here. I want to go home, but they're going to the real falls. So I changed my mind. I'm going to the real deal. Yeah, you hold it.
Ano pa?
Hold it.
Oy! Ang kaya tubig! Badaway. Wala niyo.
Put it up. Like this.
Mama!
Oh.
Ay, sorry, banda.
This way! Ah, okay.
Okay, understand that? Good.
Magiging vlogger na ako, guys!
Right now, I'm hands-free right now. Hands-free. So actually, this is a path. Oh, I don't know. I think pretty far.
Hi, guys!
I didn't thought anybody can come over here. This path is like nobody coming.
Ganda-gandahan! Hindi ganda daw.
Looks like a viewpoint. Look down there. And landslide. It's getting muddy right now.
That's right, the hill.
There is a whole lot stretch from the bridge, almost like a 200 meter up right now. Look how below. From there, we're walking up, still need to go up. So, it is very tiring, but this is the actual trekking route. Actually, my poor planning, I didn't eat a breakfast in the morning. Last night dinner, 2 chicken with rice, make to French fry. Now working better. I didn't expect this. That is very important. But either way, I'm going to power through. She found food over there.
Something to eat.
Banana.
Banana.
Sino ka dyan?
Good news, we found some banana. The blessing keep coming. I couldn't believe this. We're almost on the top. So we get to see the falls down. Right now we are going down, probably to the summit, to the waterfall. But still, it is a very, very hard hiking. See the kid powering through. Very slippery. You need to be careful. Oh. Can't believe this thing. Whoa.
Oo.
You need to go down like that. Look at the down. Again, you need to climb up later. This is bullshit. Finally, I came here. My God, what a mission to come over here. Can you see that? Beautiful. Completely worth it. But I cannot recommend for everyone. It's a very tough path. It's only for hardcore people. Very slippery also. Wow, look at the path we are going through. Not that easy access. You need to go like this. I don't know, I have my bag. Everything. Very hard. Holding camera in one hand. Holding camera in one hand. Doing this very dangerous.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Yan, tag na yung isa ready. Hindi mo na kita ma. Ayun na natulog ko yung
I don't know. Wow. Seriously. Seriously. I'm here already. Beautiful. For blogger, it's worth it. For other people, for hardcore people only. Not for everyone. Look at that. Yeah.
Ikaw muna kasi gano'n sa akin.
Ah,
1, 2, 3.
go there. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Seriously, nice. We are going to go that side. Okay? Lux is going. I also going that side. Okay, let's ride. Wow. I don't know. Not bad? Yeah. We don't care how much water comes through. Actually, this is the best way. Seriously, it's a beautiful place. Look at that. How beautiful it is. So much of distilled water. The water flying over here. I don't know how much you can see.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.
Wild banana on the baby. Pick it up. Let's see. Fantastic. Nice.
We're drinking alcohol. This is our energy drink to fly the hill.
For red horse?
Yeah.
What's your favorite? Red horse or 2x2?
Both. Drink both. Drink both.
How much your limit? Unlimited?
Yeah.
Unlimited.
Yes, unlimited.
This is very important. In Philippines, you don't need that much introduction. They are going the same way. They are also going the same way. You can go together and go
Yes.
enjoy, explore. Very friendly and safe country. They will share with you Miranda, everything. Oh, you don't need to worry about it. Actually, you become like a friend over there. That's why I like the Philippines. That's why I choose the Philippines to stay here. Beautiful country.
What do you like to eat?